Days after the resignation of former Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, St. Martin's Island, a 3 square kilometer stretch of land located in the northeastern part of the Bay of Bengal and the southernmost point of Bangladesh, has been in the discussions. And reports suggest it was for this island that violence was perpetrated in the nation and consequently Sheikh Hasina had to resign. Former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has revealed that she could have remained in power if she had surrendered the sovereignty of the St. Martin Island and allowed America to hold sway over the Bay of Bengal. She has accused the United States of orchestrating her ouster from power as she refused to surrender the St. Martin Island. As per Hasina's claim, ceding St. Martin Island to United States would have meant the latter's control over Bay of Bengal. These revelations are a part of her undelivered speech, which she wanted to make but could not deliver as protesters reached her residence and she was forced to flee the country. In May, Hasina had claimed that conspiracies were being hatched to topple her government and alleged a white man's plot to carve a new Christian country out of Bangladesh. Hasina has said that she could have stayed in power had she surrendered St. Martin Island's sovereignty, allowing US control over the Bay of Bengal. She added that she resigned to avoid witnessing the death toll that radicals sought to achieve through violence. The former Prime Minister has urged her countrymen not to be misled by radicals. Hasina also expressed her grief over the vandalism, deaths, murders and harassment happening in Bangladesh. On her future plan, she assured that with Allah's grace, she will return to Bangladesh soon. She said, and we quote that, "Awami League has stood up again and again. I'll pray for Bangladesh's future, the nation my father strived for, and the country my family gave their lives for." Stay tuned with OTB News for more updates.